I'm Carly.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
And I've been part of this project for 3 years. I'm waiting for a bus to go down to Bristol for our exhibition. I've been a part of this since 2015 and it's been really fun. And Charlotte's a copycat because she's wearing my outfit in yellow from the purple fashion shoot that I wore. And yeah.
You're not happy about it?
No.
Right, can I just check we've got everybody? Olivia, Carly, Fion,
I took those photos
Crystal, Cherry.
I'm Nia, we're going to Bristol for an exposition. Hello, I'm Fiona, I'm 11 and we're going for an exhibition to Bristol.
Oh no, I scored. Oh, my machine. No, it's like
I don't put like a lot of foundation on. No, I haven't. I got a little like concealer underneath my eyes. Eyeshadow and eyebrows.
I'm sick of covering up. Sometimes I'm shy and I'm anxious. Sometimes I'm down on my knees. Sometimes I try to embrace all my insecurities. Calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I
down that way. We're probably going to sit by me as well, though. Who's coming on?
What was the last one? Bow.
Yeah.
Strike a pose.
Your hair. You look like
It's a way to show like all the stuff we've been doing and how crazy the photo shoots are. No matter what the weather is, we still have to do it.
I love you too.
Yeah.
I have a good
This is our recorder, where I bring it and then that's outside. It's a nice dress.
Come over here with Clémentine and Charlotte.
Amazing. This shop, loads of people come to see our photos. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Our confidence has grown so much since we've been working with Charlotte and Clementine because of all the weird outfits they put us in, and we got to go out and like the public to see us and everything and give us like weird looks. But to be honest, we don't really care because we're having fun, which is all that matters really. So yeah, thank you, Charlotte and Clementine.
Mine's the one with like the tent song. It's like a Christmas thing. And on that day it was freezing.
We done one in the snow.
Oh yeah, that was
Literally, it was in t-shirts in the snow.
That was bad. That was real bad. I was going to catch him before me that day.
Take me back where you come from, so to speak. That's what I was thinking. Who's he going to kick in? Don't leave it to me.
We'd like to thank Clémentine and Charlotte because of all their, like, it's not just our time that we're putting in, it's their time and effort and that they've spent on us as well. And being young people, not a lot of like adults and like older people put like time and effort into you because they don't really think, they just think you're annoying little teenagers running around basically. And it's like not that, it's just that we need something to put our mind into as well.
Toby, I like your signature.